Watermarks are one of those small details that instantly make a document look more professional and protected. Let me walk you through the entire process, adding, customizing, and even removing a watermark right now. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is look up at the menu bar at the top of your screen and click on Format. From that menu, go ahead and select Watermark. A small dialog box will open up, and this is where everything happens. Right here, you'll see a text field. Type whatever you want your watermark to say, whatever fits your document. Once you're happy with it, click OK. And just like that, the watermark is now on every single page of your document. No need to go page by page. Honestly, that small detail makes a big difference on multi-page documents. Now, maybe you want to customize the color. To do that, simply go back to Format and select Watermark again. Inside the dialog, you'll notice a color drop down. Click on it and you'll have a full range of colors to choose from. And if you want something more specific, click on Custom Color to define your own shade. For this video, I'll go ahead and select red from the list. Then click OK. There it is. The watermark is now red, and depending on the text you've used, the color really reinforces the message. You can also change the watermark font. Head back to Format Watermark, and inside the dialog, you'll see a font list. So, select any font that works for you. Right there in the same dialog, there's an angle setting. If you'd like the watermark tilted differently, more horizontal, more diagonal, just adjust that value. And if the watermark feels a bit too bold, like it's competing with your content, use the transparency setting to tone it down. Once you've set everything the way you want, go ahead and click OK. Your watermark will now reflect every single adjustment you just made. Now, what if you want to remove it entirely? Head back to Format, select Watermark, and simply delete all the text in that box. Then hit OK. The watermark is completely gone from every page. So that covers the full process, adding, customizing, and removing a watermark in LibreOffice Writer. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.